I've done my shot, Hannah. Half of it's all over my legs.
We're not doing a shot yet. It's not done an answer.
No, this is a break for a shot, so do the shot and then we can carry on.
That'll be sick. Running times 2.
Drink. Running times 2. You can't even do running times 1.
No, I can't.
No.
Megan, I'll be sick.
Hannah.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Drink if you've ever had sex in a sleeping bag.
No.
That's good.
I haven't. I think I'm gonna sneeze.
Beyonce, sing a song. No, sing a line from a song with the word little in it. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. It's not wonderful.
Okay, go next.
Thank you.
I think I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on. No, keep going.
Categories. Planets. Beyonce starts.
Yeah.
Bless you. Earth.
Mars.
Mercury.
Venus.
Saturn.
Jupiter.
Anus.
The sun.
Isn't even anus, it's Uranus.
Oh.
Is the sun... is the sun a planet? I feel like the sun isn't a planet.
Anus, so you need to drink anyway.
Yeah, but I'm just saying I don't think sun is a planet.
No.
Are you alright?
I told you I was gonna sneeze.
You want to sneeze one more time just for luck?
Keep going. Don't, 'cause I'll sneeze again.
Drink. Do you know what? You're actually getting borderline rude now.
My God.
Are you done?
Yeah.
You sure?
I think so. No, I don't. Okay, go.
Drink if you're in love with someone. Drink twice if the person is with you. Or in Hannah's case, sneeze twice. There's one. You better sneeze again, otherwise I'm dumping you.
I do. Go.
Beyonce. Oh, there we go. She loves me, everyone.
Oh, God.
Beyonce, tell Hannah about your worst sexual experience.
Go on. It better be about your last relationship.
It's not about you, 'cause we haven't had any bad ones. My worst one probably was I was really drunk and I went down on someone and I started heaving.
Huh? Continue.
I went down on someone and I started heaving.
Oh my God, did you actually?
But it wasn't because it was anything bad, it was just because I was so drunk.
Oh.
But I never saw her again after that. I know why.
Why?
Hannah, why are you sneezing?
I don't know, I think I've got a cold.
Huh?
Sorry guys, hold on. Technical difficulties. I think it's the DRUGS. Anyway. Continue? I don't know. Continue? How are you verified? I don't know.
I've had that one.